Good afternoon, this is Chris Brecher with the Chart Patterns Mastery / Simpler Trading free video for October 8th, 2024. What's this about? Well, we've been consistently making money and we're going to stay with that, not doing the crazy trades, but we've been trading a lot of the hurricane stocks. So we were playing GNRC on the upside, and guess what? Now we're looking to play GNRC on the downside. So what are we talking about in here? We're talking about this, that a lot of these stocks are buy on rumors, sell on news. I'll show you what we're talking about. Hurricane Ian was a very destructive storm in 2022. What happened? It formed Home Depot. That was the bottom. The stock rallied right until it dissipated. So there were insurance stocks that sold off right when Ian formed and rallied when it dissipated. The problem is the insurance stocks have already had a heck of a rally. So I'm not going to go in those. But the Home Depots of the world, the Lowe's, I'm going to use this as my tell. GNRC. Buy on rumor, sell on news. Stock going nuts still. Sort of. So just keep that in mind still. But a lot of times with this stock, you see a rally like this, rally, and then you get the bloop, the exhaustion buy. You got it here, you got it here, you got it here. So we still have to see that rollover. We have not seen a rollover yet, but I'm going to look for that. We have one small spread in there. Beacon Roofing, same thing. Big old rally closed on the low. Just keep that in mind. So if this sells off or continues to sell off, and GNRC has a leg down, just keep in mind on a 15-minute chart, it's still a toss-up. But if this doesn't hold, then I'm going to play on the short side, the Lowe's and the Home Depots that have gone up so much in anticipation of this storm. Now, keep in mind, the storm's probably going to hit tomorrow night. So this might be where these have one more day up. But I'm just telling you, that's what I'm looking for next week to do spreads in Home Depot, Lowe's, and GNRC on the downside. Now, XYL, little different situation because it has this tight little pattern. If this breaks up, then the daily could break up. This has not had that big a rally yet. So that's how I'm going to try to play these kinds of stocks and play them for tomorrow. We're going to be very active in these. Now, regarding the ES, you see the ES, heck, that could be a bull flag. Could be. But I have to see some more development of the NASDAQ getting over areas, the Russell getting over areas, and the Dow getting over areas. With the CPI coming out Thursday, I wouldn't be surprised to see tomorrow a sell-on rally moment and then just a non-event for the rest of the day. I think the hurricane stocks are going to be the way to play it, and that's what we're going to do. Take care. Have a great night. Good afternoon, everyone. This is Chris Brecher, and I'm Senior Managing Director of Stocks at Simpler Trading. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you like our content, please leave us a like and a comment down below. Also, be sure to subscribe to our channel and click the bell notification icon so you never miss any of our great new content coming out. Good trading, and we'll see you at the next video. Take care.